In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off live captions in Google Chrome quickly and easily. If Chrome has been automatically generating subtitles for videos, audio, or other media, and you want to disable that feature, this guide will walk you through every step. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech fix. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start to menu, or applications folder, depending on the device you're using. Once Chrome opens, you're ready to change the live caption setting. Now, look up at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. This is where Chrome keeps most of its main settings and controls. Click on those three dots to open the menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can adjust things like appearance, privacy, search, passwords, and accessibility. We want the accessibility options because that's where live caption is located. On the left side of the settings page, find the accessibility section and click it. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the left-hand navigation list. Chrome organizes features into different categories, and accessibility is the section that manages tools designed to help with reading, hearing, and viewing content more easily. Once you're in accessibility, look for live caption. You should see a switch next to it. If live caption is currently turned on, it will be enabled and Chrome may be generating automatic captions for audio and video playback. To turn it off, simply click the switch so it changes to off. As soon as you do that, Chrome will stop automatically creating captions for videos and audio. There's no complicated save button to press in most cases, so the change should take effect right away. If you ever want to turn live caption back on later, you can come back to the same accessibility menu and switch it back on again. That makes it easy to control whenever you want captions enabled or disabled based on your preference. So to recap, open Google Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Settings, click Accessibility, and turn live caption off. That's all it takes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick Chrome and computer tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.